Hey, champ, where'd all your friends go? Final jerk of his tires as Storm settles into the pole position. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's end this season with a great race. That's it, McQueen. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Do it. Laps to go, and race leader Jackson Storm will make his way onto pit road right there with McQueen right in front of him. A good stop here could mean the difference between victory and defeat. Come on, Chuck. Faster, Chuck. Come on, I gotta get back out there before he does. Come on, hurry up. Alright, you're good. Alright, you're good. Now go. Oh. What a pit stop by McQueen. Man, he just got the lead, but can he hold on to it? Hey, McQueen, you alright? Listen, pal, don't you worry. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead from McQueen. Unbelievable. McQueen is fading. Fading fast. No. No. The